Hey guys, I just got my new welding helmet and I want to show it to you. Okay. This is the protecting film for the outside. The warranty list. Oh, and we have a brand new helmet for welding. I didn't know it's red, but okay. There is a few buttons over here. This is how sensitive to be this over here. This is a light, I don't know. Actually, I don't know what is it. And this is the sensitivity. And over here there is some scale of shade for the glass, for this glass. And inside there is few more buttons for grinding or welding. That's the mode over here. You actually cannot see it. And there is a delay time for maybe, I don't know. And there is short, middle and long. Actually, I think you can see it. Yep. And that's it. And this one will this one goes over here. After in a few months you take it apart like this, and you need to have one of these because this flash, I don't know what it is, a lot, is expensive. And the middle one is like this. There is a little hole over here. Do you see it? Yep. And that's it.